Latest research and development. 1. Researchers discover lost 3000-year-old Babylonian hymn. A previously unknown hymn of praise dating to around 1000 BCE was discovered by LMU professor Enrique Jimenez, who used AI to identify 30 related manuscripts. 2. Scientists discover ocean bacteria that feast on plastic. A newly discovered enzyme motif reveals how ocean microbes are evolving to digest plastic, potentially aiding future cleanup efforts. 3. This wonder material could revolutionize renewable energy. A team of researchers has explored how two-dimensional materials known as emexens could revolutionize renewable energy and sustainable chemical production. 4. Groundbreaking new compound could treat the world's deadliest infectious disease. The world's deadliest infectious disease urgently requires new and effective antibiotics. 5. Jupiter's gravity may explain a 4.5 billion-year-old meteorite mystery. The early growth of the gas giant carved rings that formed primitive meteorites and shaped the architecture of the inner solar system. 6. Scientists unlock secrets of the building blocks of the universe. Researchers have moved one step closer to solving one of science's greatest mysteries: why the universe is filled with matter instead of nothing. 7. What if Einstein was only half right? NASA's new test for dark energy. New strategies may soon allow scientists to test dark energy theories within our own solar system, linking cosmic scale physics to local observation. 8. Scientists solve decades-old puzzle of electron emission. What occurs when electrons escape from a solid material? Though it may appear straightforward, this process has long resisted accurate theoretical explanation, until now. Researchers have finally uncovered the missing piece that completes the puzzle. 9. This chip computes with light, breaking the 10 GHz barrier for AI. Researchers have developed an optical computing system that performs feature extraction for quantitative trading with unprecedentedly low latency. 10. DNA reveals the deadly secret that doomed Napoleon's 1812 army. Researchers have uncovered genetic evidence of paratyphoid and relapsing fever among Napoleon's soldiers who retreated from Russia in 1812. 11. Dead idea from the 1800s could finally reveal why the universe exists. Japanese physicists have revived Calvin's old idea of cosmic knots, showing how these tangled fields might explain why matter won the universe's first great battle over antimatter. 12. Researchers solve 25-year Crohn's disease mystery. UC San Diego researchers have resolved a decades-long debate about the role of the first Crohn's disease gene linked to an increased risk of developing the autoimmune condition. Thanks for watching this video.